Hey guys, so silent right now. Wow. Might as well just walk around, guys. I'm not gonna be loud because people are sleeping. Oh yeah, there are other people out. But me, I can go by myself. It's not like I'm a little kid anymore. Right? Yeah, it's like other parents are bringing their kids nighttime too. I was about to go to sleep, but I thought about it. Since I'm stuck with a vlog, why not record? While I'm still awake around this late. My legs are so sore, man. I'm actually wearing shoes. Sorry, when I'm talking, I was like so tired right now. We'll see if some things are open, but I highly doubt it, but we'll see. Wait, arcade's still open? Are you serious? Oh my god. It's open, guys. They did close the prize. Oh wow, it's still open. I'm surprised. Ah. No, that's amazing. Yeah, people are still wide awake, man. Let's go check out the stores. Well, the crane though. Wow, people are still out here. And people are just chilling. You know what? Yeah, I'll bring my little brother. Or, I think he's sleeping. Well, yep, of course. They did close down though. Slippery when wet. Yeah, let me go try and take a picture of these. Okay, picture right there. Yikes, look how much it costs. Yeah. Like I said in my previous videos, just like you go into CenturyLink. Wow, look at that. Those are the... Let me take a picture again. Like that. One like that. I'm sure I did, but just I want to do it again so that whenever I know what price it is. But the Karma Apple, it's not bad. I just wish they let me accept cash, but you don't accept cash anymore during this pandemic, guys. It's insane. Well, I guess understandable. I still use cash though at Fred Meyer, Walmart, or oh, they even have hats too. Oh, just a decoration. Not many places are open. Obviously, it's like 12 midnight, close, man. Let me go downstairs. Man, my feet are so sore, guys, but I'm just forcing myself to walk. Wow, my god, being sore at the same time. It hurts. But you know, this is what people say. No pain, no game. Oh, wow. Oh, the campfire. Totally useful during winter time. I mean, I can feel it. fire. Yeah. So I guess they close at 9. Just found out, guys. So okay, like what the worker was saying earlier, she said 9 to 9. So okay, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Oh man, quite nice. I wonder if the workers like sleep here or something, or don't they just go home afterwards? Just saying. Kind of curious. Makes me wonder that for a long time. Yeah, go to Griffith Lodge during summertime. Yeah, I did went to Griffith Lodge during Halloween. But when I want to go, it's like Griffith Lodge during Christmas. Or around December something. Man, it's not bad here. See, Starbucks been closed. They do close early. Yeah, got a worker like still up late. Yikes. It's not nice here. It's so nice here. It's really cozy and chilly here. Skip the line by using the app. Well, I think I want to go, guys. I'm a bit tired, man. I'll probably go back here again. I'll go to the elevator for the fun of it. The stairs close too. So everything is close. Dark. Yeah, I know we're in mass though. Cheap. Yeah. Hey, look at that. Oh, what is this? Wood fire girl. Wow. Man, your fro's expensive. Let me take a picture of this too. Boom. I'll just go home. Just go to the stairs, but you know, I might also take the elevator. Oh, I can go here then. All right, elevator. Number 2. There we go. Well, I'm done, guys. I'm tired, so. It's quite fun, though. Wants to last. I'm gonna head out in the morning. Once I get back home, gonna. Mom told her to get IHOP, so yeah. So then, see you soon, guys. Peace out. And gotta sleep, man. Legs are sore. Peace.